Poor Mr. Krabs, gone forever out of our lives. Why couldn't it have been me?
Yes, why couldn't it have been you?
Why did he have to go like this? Why?
Why did he have to go like this and leave me tied to this idiot?